Hi guys.
Hi!
What are we making tonight?
We're making pizza.
Okay, your homemade pizzas, eh?
Yeah, this is actually our
Fresh.
This is actually our first time.
Okay. So what are we going to put on first?
The sauce.
Tomato sauce.
Okay. So put that on.
Do my sauce. Do my side first. I only have different do what's in different places. So
So you're just making half different to the other half?
yeah, because my sister likes mushrooms. I don't.
Okay.
And today I'm gonna try egg on mine.
So what have you got there? We've got some cheese.
We've got capsicum, chilies. My sister's favorite is mushroom. We got cheese. We're trying tuna and egg.
Okay. Pretty good combination.
I know. It sounds weird though. Never tasted egg with pizza before. I can imagine tuna and egg together, but not.
Probably put a little bit more sauce on, honey.
Yeah,
Yeah.
especially on the outsides.
Because I also want the crunchy pizza.
Make it like a little bit thick.
Yeah. The mushroom, when I put mine on, it's going to make it fit too. Because it's so as you can see, it's big things I like, so you can taste it better. Some people put a little bit, they'll cook it.
So what do you reckon we're going to put on first? What topping first?
Our first topping.
I think we should put
Probably
capsicum.
the capsicum on.
No, that's not.
Okay. Okay.
So my sister's going to put the capsicum on.
Okay.
Oopsies.
Here we go.
Ready for the good ingredients.
Well, it's so chunky though.
Love it the way it is. I'm going to say it's going to be really thick.
Imagine if you didn't put tomato sauce on. I wonder what that would be like without tomato
That wouldn't
sauce.
taste nice.
I know.
Yeah.
And the ingredients wouldn't really stick.
Well, for me, it won't taste nice. I don't know about you guys.
Okay, do you think that's enough?
Yeah, it should be enough. You don't want too much because it might overpower the taste.
Yep. Okay.
So what next, Holly?
Well,
Holly?
for me, I'm going to put the mushroom on.
Okay.
Ears.
We like
Ears.
this, don't we?
She's already looking good enough at the mushrooms on.
Yeah, just put it on one side. See if someone else doesn't like mushroom. Courtney.
Okay, done.
Okay, so Courtney, what next?
I'm gonna put my tuna on.
Okay.
We've got other on. I'm putting it on mine too.
Yeah, I think these all like tuna.
Yeah, I'm putting it. Yeah, I know.
I've never known anyone put tuna on pizza. I wonder what it tastes like.
Oh,
It should taste nice though, because everyone puts ham and bacon and they put bacon and other stuff on it. Or
And
beef or whatever.
practically. Holly, it looks disgusting. Same, I know. Especially when you scrunch it up. It looks really weird. Yeah, I'm actually excited to taste it. I don't know if it's gonna be overpowering.
It won't. Still more there.
So what next, Holly?
The chilies.
Okay. You want to put them in?
I must have having cheesy, but no, wait. First, I might put the spinach. Spinach leaves. There wasn't that much spinach leaves, so I want to make sure that everywhere.
The spinach probably would have been pretty good with that.
Yeah, it would.
It's healthy too. Two more. Okay.
You see my sister's compared to mine?
So what do you want to do? Put the egg on or put the cheese on?
I'm gonna put a bit of cheese on now, and then I'm gonna put the egg,
And then
Should you put the egg
and
in
then put a little bit more cheese on.
Okay.
You gonna do yours? I'm gonna do mine.
Yeah, let's go. I should go on this side. Don't want to put too much because we need it to start as well. Okay, that's good now. Looks cool, eh?
Looks yummy already.
I know, even if it's not cooked. But you have to like cook it. Okay, I'm gonna
So
put
you're
my
gonna put
egg
the
on.
Oh, Max, I didn't get any of mine, so I don't want any egg on mine.
Okay,
I'll transfer mine then.
I'm gonna do that.
Move, oh move. Like that, got it.
Okay.
You put it on yours? Just pour it on.
This is the unit. Oh my gosh, what are you doing?
I thought it was gonna like. Damn it!
All done? Now you're gonna put the other pizza
Yeah.
again?
Now.
Yep.
Okay, now I'm gonna
Put the rest of the cheese on?
I think my sister might need more the rest of the
Alright.
cheese because the egg might
Okay.
overpower.
So here's a close up. Looks really yummy. Yum yum.
It looks like the one in the pizza shop on Domino's.
Okay, so guys, we're gonna stay tuned and we will show you what it looks like when it comes out of the oven.
See ya!
See ya! Hi everyone, we're back. This is the end result. It looks really yummy. I'm sure the girls will enjoy it. Yeah, and please like and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos. Bye!
Bye!